आंखों की नमकीन मस्ती. Don't interrupt while I'm trying to romance a Buckley. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
What constitutes this chemistry? By your own admission, you have said that you can romance even a tree. Now, everybody knows, and all of you wonderful women in the audience will agree, who can romance better than Shah Rukh Khan on screen? Chemistry is something that is always attributed to Shah Rukh Khan where it comes to his leading ladies. We all know Shah Rukh and Deepika have incredible on-screen chemistry. What really truly constitutes this word, chemistry? Like, is there something academically associated with it, or is it just in your DNA and you can't help it? Ako pyar aapse.
Only for Deepika. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्ती. Don't interrupt while I'm trying to romance a Buckley. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.
What constitutes this chemistry?
I think, honestly, मैं बताऊं, I hope it's not like a cliched answer, but I have too much respect for women. It comes inherently, innately from inside me. It's not a thing that, it's not a facile thing that, you know, कि हम respect करते हैं औरतों को. I just feel genuine love for every woman that I meet, whether she's 6 years old or she's 60 years old. I just find them gentler. I just find them kinder. I find them the ones who provide nature. I don't know how to explain it. They're connected to God, Bhagwan, Allah. I think they're all connected in some way to nature. So I feel a lot of love for women in the rightest, kindest, most sensitive way of the word. So if you have respect in your eyes and you say things to a lady, even if it's like, would you like to come out for dinner with me, or something even more than that or less than that, I think it just feels more gentle and loved. I think that's chemistry. I don't know, it's a chemical reaction. I don't think it's a chemical reaction, apart from the dopamine and stuff that I said. But I think there is just respect is chemistry. I think that's it.
And Deepika, does it feel like he is a class apart where it comes to portraying romance? Because you romance, you know, so many other leading men on screen. What is the difference that Shah Rukh Khan brings to the romance of the movies?
Respect. I think in the way that he... And you know, Karan, it's not just respect for a woman when the camera's rolling, but it's so... it's in every pore of his body. So it could be the camera's not rolling, you're sitting on the side. He's always aware about the presence of a woman and ensuring that she's comfortable, that she's well taken care of, and so it just comes very, you know, it just comes very, it's not put on, it's not a switch on, switch off. That's just inherently who he is. I mean, we were backstage. That's just the way he is. I don't know him any other way. I've known him from the time I was, 16, 17, I'm 39 now. He's always been like that in any scenario. It doesn't have to be in a public forum, or not necessarily only when the cameras are rolling. And I think it just stems from love, from genuine love and respect.